Welcome back. So in the last video we got to the stage where once you have completed this level, currently I've got it set to happen when you collect 1 star. It will show the level complete screen, and when you hit the spacebar it will take you to the next level. And now we need to figure out how to prevent it from taking you to the next level on this stage, because we do not have a 3rd level. So let's go ahead and do that in the code. Get to the level complete substate, and what we're going to do is kind of have an if statement here and have one here as well. So by default, if you don't pass anything into this class, so if nothing was passed here, even though it's expecting an argument, it will assign this to be null because it got nothing here. So our next level will equal null. So if that's the case, say next level is null, we want to change a few things. We want this here, level complete text, dot text, to be, I don't know, say well done, 3 exclamation marks, and then I want to change this text here to say press space to start again. Cool. So these bits of text will change based on if no level is passed in. We also want to move this down here and also this down here. And the reason for that is because if they were up here before, it would add them to the game, center them based on the x-axis for these number of characters, and not these number of characters. So if we didn't pass anything in, the alignment would be off because it's centered for these number of characters. So what we're doing is setting the text up here and then centering it based on the amount of characters we have here. So I hope that makes sense. We also need to make a change here. So let's grab this if statement condition and say that if the space bar is pressed and if next level is null, so that means nothing is passed into here. Actually, let's leave it like this for now. I was going to do a ternary, but I'll keep it simple. So if nothing's passed in, what we're going to do is do flx g switch state, and then we're going to go to level 1. Sorry, it should be new level 1. Okay, so that'll do that. Let's have this like that and do this and say else. Do that. So hope that makes sense. If nothing is passed into the next level, then when the space bar is hit, go to level 1. Else, if something is passed, then go to that level that was passed into here. Cool. So let's save that and see if that worked. So it looks like we have an error. I forgot to put a semicolon here. Thanks for letting me know that, Haxe. Second time lucky. Game built, no errors, cool. So hard refresh the game, and we don't actually need this tab here, but let's keep it open for now. Level complete, space. I think maybe I should have moved the 2nd star a bit closer, but we'll roll with it for now. There we go. So well done. Press space to start again. We hit space, we come back here. Now, just a bit of refactoring while we're here. I'm going to change these lines of code to make them a bit cleaner by using a ternary. So this is exactly the same as an if-else statement, just more useful for like a one-liner if-else statement. So you don't need the semicolon here. We're going to put a colon here, and then there. This should work as well. My formatting is going to mess the whole thing up, so when I save this, it will do that. I don't want it to do that, but anyway. I've made a mistake. I don't need this here. Yeah. So there we go. So now, once this builds the game again, we don't have any issues. Reload and just let me prove to you That it still works the same as it did before. Grab, next level. Run faster. Grab the second star. Still works, well done. Press space to start again, and we're back at level 1. Okay, that's it. And in the next video, we're going to focus on adding some sounds, adding some background music, adding some sounds to collect collectibles and when the player jumps. So that's going to be quite fun. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.